Hello and welcome to this review of UserWay. What if you could make any website instantly accessible to everyone, regardless of their abilities? UserWay is doing exactly that with its smart accessibility toolkit that's changing how people experience the web. You know those little blue icons you sometimes see on websites? That's often UserWay, quietly working to make websites better for everyone. But what does it actually do? Well, imagine having trouble reading small text, or needing to use a keyboard instead of a mouse, or wanting website text read aloud to you. UserWay handles all of that and more with just a single click. Here's what makes UserWay special. It brings over 50 accessibility features right to your website. Want larger text? Done. Need higher contrast colors? No problem. Have trouble with flashing animations? UserWay can stop those too. But perhaps the most impressive feature is its built-in screen reader, which can read any website content aloud in multiple languages. But how easy is it to set up? That's where things get really interesting. Whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or any other platform, UserWay typically needs just one line of code to get started. And once it's running, it works automatically to help make your site more accessible. What about the technical side? UserWay is constantly scanning your website, finding potential accessibility issues, and helping fix them. It can scan up to 30,000 pages in under an hour, which is pretty remarkable. And for those worried about compliance, UserWay helps websites meet important accessibility standards like WCAG 2.1 and 2.2. Speaking of results, the numbers are impressive. Over 1 million websites are currently using UserWay, and it supports more than 50 languages. Users consistently report that it makes their websites more accessible and easier to use for everyone. As this AI review has found, the feedback from actual users has been overwhelmingly positive, especially about how simple it is to implement and use. Want to know the cost? UserWay's pricing starts at $490 annually for sites with under 100,000 page views, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can test it out. For larger sites, there are custom plans available that scale with your needs. Ready to make your website more accessible? To learn more about UserWay and read this AI review, visit jimcarter.me and search for UserWay. Thanks for watching.